This is Biotronix latest elbow CPM device. You can see how the device looks like that. This is the elbow CPM, very compact model, but very powerful feature. I will explain later. You can see this is remote control. This is the remote. You can see this is the remote, and this is the device. This is the angle indication, and this is the motorized electrical device. You can see I have already tied the patient. This is the first strap, and this is the second strap. So now I will show you the demo of the device, one by one, explaining all the feature. So the first feature is start. I start the same, and you can see the movement over here. You can see this is the flexion, and now elbow stretch. So this is the elbow stretch. So you can see the motion of the elbow. This is the flexion. You can see this is the flexion, and this is the extension. So this is the continuous motion. It will keep on doing the same, and whenever I want to pause the same, I can click on the pause button. Like I pause the same over here. So now you can see, if I want to stop the same in between, I need to click on the pause. So this is pause now. Start. You can see this is the stretch. Now it is flexion now. Like I want to stop the same in between at some angle. Like if the stiffness is there, I need to stop. I need to click on the pause. It will be pause. So this is the continuous CPM machine, and also I have the like I can operate the same manually too. If I want to stretch the hand, this is in the total flexion mode. If I want to stretch the same manually, I will start the device. Pause. Now I will show you. If I want to stretch the same manually, I keep on pressing the button. This is the stretch button. You can see this is the stretch button. This is the stretch button. This is the flexion. This is the manual control. So now it is totally stretched. Now I will press the same. I will keep on pressing, and it is the flexion button. And I want to stop. I want to stretch it manually. Stretch. Stop. Flex. Keep on pressing. Flex. So the patient can do and the doctor can do. Stretch. Stretch. Stop. As soon as I will release the button, it will be stopped over. So this is the control for the continuous motion. You can control it manually by pressing the button. So now this is the speed button. Like previously, you can see the speed was currently the speed is indicated over here. You can see this is 2. So I am decreasing the speed. This is 1. So I am starting the same. You can see the movement of the device, and the speed is currently 1. This is the speed indication. You can see speed is currently. You can see slowly, because if injury is there, more stiffness is there, and patient is paralyzed or something like that, then it need to be slow. But if someone want to increase the speed, then you can go for the up to 1 to 9 level. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see, now you can see this is the maximum speed I have selected, 9. Now you can see how the movement changed, how the movement has been changed. It's very fastly completed the motion. This is the stretching, very fast, and this is the flexion. You can see it's happening very fast. So you can see the sliding movement over here. The elbow joint is totally getting flexed and stretched. So this is how speed control works. Now this is the intensity control. It means the intensity you will put over here. Like if some patient is having stiffness or patient want to stop in between some angle, what will the intensity control will do? If I put the intensity at minimum, like I put the intensity as 1, it means the pressure. So the pressure that has to be applied by the patient to stop the motion of that direction, means the lowest pressure will be applied in the 1 and the highest pressure will have to be applied in the 9th level. So in the rehabilitation and injury, the 1 is sufficient, but if someone wants the strengthening and everything, then he can go for the intensity level more. So currently intensity level is 1. Now I will show you how this works. Like the patients want to stop the same in between, the patient will apply the force in opposite direction. You can see in the opposite direction the force is applied, the motion is stopped. Now if you want to stop here, apply the force over here, motion is stopped. So if the stiffness is there, the motion will stop. If the patient apply the force, the motion will stop. So if the patient want to stop the motion in between, the strap has to be tied a little bit more. As you can see, the patient apply a little bit of force, as the intensity is 1 only, the device will stop. And currently the patient is sitting very below the device, so that is why the device is getting upward, because the chair height has to be increased according to the patient body structure. So this is the intensity feature. Putting the stop, and so I have explained everything. This is the display. This is the display for the speed. You can see this is the display for the speed, and this is the display for the speed. This is the display for the speed, and this is the display for the intensity. This is the display for the intensity. So up to 1 to 9 level for both the speed and intensity, angle adjustment. So hope the device has covered all the features that can be covered. One more additional feature is there, and I will show you what is that. So now I just put on the pause button, and I will put the pause button. I will get the patient removed. Take your hand out. And now one more additional feature is you can see you can adjust the angle of the plate where you put this part of the hand. Like if I press the pin like this, I can adjust the plate in 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 levels. Like I put on the 3rd level. If I put on the 3rd level, I just take the pin out and release the same. This is the spring based pin. So now you can see this is the angle adjustment. So now you will put the hand over here like this, and now you will stretch the same. So previously on that level, normal level, you were getting the motion like this. Your hand was this and you were getting motion, and this is stop over here. So this was the motion, but now the angle is adjusted over here, and when the device will go to the last, you will get this type of motion. You will be totally, your elbow will be totally stretched out. So you can see as you adjust the angle, your elbow joint will be totally flexing. This is the totally flexing, and previously the angle was this, the straighter one. So straighter one, the device will stop over here. But if you go for the level 3 and put the elbow like this, the last one you will go, or you can see the total stretch, total flexion. So this is how this device is incredible in covering all the aspects. Like I can control the speed, I can control the pressure, I can apply some force and stop the same in between. I can use it manually, I can use it in continuous mode, and I can adjust the angle of this joint so that the total extension I can achieve. So this is the electrical, and it is also a remote control device. So Biotronix Care International is the importer of the same, and you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, or you can subscribe our channel for more latest update on all the latest physiotherapy and rehabilitation device. And you can contact us, you can visit our website for the purchase, you can contact our sales team for purchase, and everything we will share the same with you. Thank you for watching.